Got your wipe out on camera. This is Ian's first day of skiing, and he's kicking butt. You okay? He's kicking butt. He's doing very good. He just took one of his few spills that he took today. Let's see how he gets up. There you go. Good move. Good job. You getting tired?
Ow!
That looks like it hurts.